Get excited about the 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck has just over 90,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable pedals, and much more. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.